Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I varnish my paintings. I'm just using one of my beach trees painting I've done in a small canvas. What I do, I just need the varnish. I use matte varnish by Woods & Bennett. Little container so I can add my varnish and a brush. This brush is very soft, so that's what you're looking for. I just use the same brush because I just wash it and use it again. And that's basically it. That's basically what you need. It's not really like terrifying as people think, oh, I'm going to varnish my paint, it's going to damage it. All you have to do is make sure that your painting is dry. I only use acrylic painting, so it dries between 2 to 3 days. If you do use oil acrylic, it's more, I would say, between a week or two. You have to make sure that it's actually dried enough before you varnish. So okay, here you go. So all you have to do first is shake very well your varnish. Okay, what I do, I just add a bit on the container. You can see very clear, but don't worry, because once it goes to the painting you won't see it. And I just brush my paint like that. With varnish I usually go one direction and then I let it dry, and 24 hours I need to let it dry, and then back again in the other direction. So I'm going to start this way. So you'll see it's quite straightforward. Because I have a big brush, I know roughly where I left it from. You can see already the painting has some shine to it already. What varnish does, matte one, it brings up the color a bit. I don't like to use gloss. I will use gloss if I'm doing a pouring, and if I want the gloss really to come out, I use the varnish gloss, but I just like the matte. I like the middle of effect it does. And varnish protects your painting from dust, water, so it doesn't damage your canvas, and it actually protects your painting. Ooh, I moved it. Okay, I do the sides as well. Supposed to do everything. And there you go. I don't know if you can see. Not yet slightly shine, but not as much. And that's how it is. Hi guys, click to subscribe for more, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.